The Floral Memorial Bookmark from the funeral program site offers a beautiful way to honor and remember a loved one through gentle design and lasting meaning. Featuring soft floral elements and elegant layout options, this memorial bookmark is thoughtfully created to reflect peace, love, and remembrance. Its timeless floral design provides a comforting visual that families can cherish long after the service has ended. Each floral memorial bookmark can be personalized with a loved one's name, dates, photo, and meaningful wording such as a prayer, poem, or tribute. The careful balance of florals and typography allows the design to feel graceful without being overwhelming, making it suitable for a wide range of services, including funerals, memorials, and celebrations of life. This floral memorial bookmark is designed to be both practical and sentimental. It can be placed inside a service program, handed out during the ceremony, or shared as a keepsake with family and friends. Many families choose to keep memorial bookmarks in prayer books, journals, or favorite books, allowing remembrance to continue in everyday moments. At the funeral program site, each floral memorial bookmark is professionally designed and printed on high-quality cardstock for durability and clarity. The smooth finish and refined presentation ensure that the bookmark remains a lasting tribute, offering comfort and reflection long after the memorial service. The Floral Memorial Bookmark from the funeral program site is more than a printed keepsake. It is a gentle reminder of a life remembered. Through thoughtful design, soft florals, and meaningful personalization, this bookmark helps families honor their loved one with beauty, dignity, and enduring remembrance. Order and download yours today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.